Today I'm going to be going over the Trax panel saw, a couple of key features that make it a cut above the rest. First, I'd like to point out that this is a 10-foot frame. It has sealed roller bearings with 2 carriage locks to have those accurate rip cuts. You'll see that the Makita 5007F will come standard in most of our packages and has a 7¼ inch blade, which is an industry standard. Our set it and forget it AccuSquare system is a patented system that will give you square cuts every time. The material rollers will also come square with your panel saw system, so you won't have to worry about your material being off-center. The folding stand is able to be engaged and disengaged when moving your Trax panel saw and able to be moved with the transport wheels, which you'll see below. And that's just a few key features of the Trax panel saw. Thank you for watching.